Okay.
My friend.
Hey?
You're as old as me.
I'm older than you.
That's true. By a little bit.
Weren't you riding a V-Star the last time I saw you?
You got it, brother.
So when'd you get this?
2 weeks ago.
Oh wow, very nice. This is on my list, but
Yeah.
Oh, it's not you too.
Eventually.
Damn it.
well, maybe not.
You want Harley.
I want something around the 1946, one of these.
Yeah. We all do.
Point Du Bois. Let's do it. Okay, we made it to the Blue Haze BBQ, having some lunch. What's everybody got? Billy, what'd you get?
I got brisket.
Brisket.
First few bites are really good.
Looks good.
Wow.
Yeah. Say, Roy, what'd you get?
Carolina pork.
Carolina pork.
Slaw and baked beans.
Rosalie, looks like
Brisket.
Brisket, yeah.
Same as Billy.
Pauline, I'm gonna make you talk with your mouth full. She's shy.
I had the brisket.
Awesome.
I guess it was good.
How was the food, guys? Everything good?
Awesome. Very
Yeah,
good.
perfect. Okay, Pauline, you ready now? No? All right, I'm gonna put Pauline on this one. And I had the barbecue bowl with brisket, which also is awesome.
Well, just so nice to get out with friends, multiple people, more than 2 people or 4 people. This is great.
For
Beautiful.
sure. Yeah.
Beautiful,
How was
beautiful
your
day.
food?
Excellent.
Excellent.
The
Right on,
wife
yeah,
likes it, so
mine
we'll
too.
come back.
Yeah, we'll be back.
For sure.
Yeah, so I had the barbecue brisket bowl. Very good. 9 out of 10. Very flavorful. There's some beans in there, some slaw on the brisket. So it's good stuff. Mikey just joined us. Mikey, what's up?
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
I mean, people are
Well, these guys are just heading out. Okay, we made it at Point Du Bois.
Beautiful.
Pauline had cookies. Does it get better? Huh?
Well, that view.
Yeah, we're gonna put the drone up. We're gonna walk down there. We didn't ride down because there's gravel down there, so.
They're coming to get me tomorrow. Got no more time for loving you.
All right, back in Beausejour. We got a little wet. Everybody's drying out.
We're good.
Yeah. Pauline, did you get wet? She did. I think we all got wet. There's a guy over there. He's just delivering my boat. Tell me about your bike, Renee.
I know nothing about
You know.
Literally. I know
Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, we got a Kawasaki Vulcan. What year is it?
I
love it.
No, nothing. 2016, I think?
2016. Did you buy it new?
No,
No?
no. I just got in, actually, I had my beginners back in 02.
Okay.
And I did nothing with it. And then Jamie said something about riding, so I ended up buying a little Honda Rebel 300.
Yeah.
And we were involved in a hit and run.
Oh no.
Guy ran away.
She lost her bike, I lost my Harley, she lost her Honda.
Oh
Yeah.
my.
Yeah, that was
Wow.
last Canada Day.
Oh wow.
And then in August I bought this guy.
Beautiful. What CC is it?
650. I do know that one.
Yeah.
That's all
All
I
right.
know.
No, I love it. You know that green spring that just pops.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. A little bit of green on the rims. That's good. Yeah.
I specifically picked the bag for the green.
Nice. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Beautiful bike.